Hi everyone, welcome to another episode where we dive deep into the mysteries of our natural world. Today, we're exploring a place often referred to as the Mount Everest of cave diving, Eagle's Nest Cave in Florida, a site of both breathtaking beauty and sobering danger.
Eagle's Nest Cave, nestled within Florida's Chassahowitzka Wildlife Management Area, is a hidden gem of the underwater world, offers a breathtaking spectacle for those daring enough to explore its depths. This cave, often likened to the Mount Everest of cave diving, presents an allure that is both enchanting and humbling. As you descend into the crystal-clear waters, the surface world fades away, replaced by an ethereal blue that envelops you in tranquility. The entrance to the cave, a yawning maw in the limestone bedrock, beckons with the promise of adventure and the unknown. The initial descent is through a narrow tunnel that quickly opens up into expansive chambers adorned with stunning formations. Stalactites and stalagmites, sculpted by millennia of mineral deposits, create an underwater cathedral that defies description. Illuminated by the divers' lights, these natural formations cast intricate shadows and reflections, transforming the cave into a dreamscape of light and shadow.
As you venture deeper, the cave's true majesty reveals itself. Passages, some narrow and claustrophobic, others vast and open, wind through the limestone like veins through marble. Each turn and twist brings new wonders into view. The walls of the cave are adorned with delicate curtains of flowstone and intricate calcite formations that shimmer and sparkle in the light. In some places, the ceiling rises high above, creating vast underwater amphitheaters where divers can float in awe of the grandeur that surrounds them. The water, filtered through the limestone, is remarkably clear, offering visibility that can reach hundreds of feet. This clarity allows divers to appreciate the full scope of the cave's beauty, from the smallest crystal formations to the grandest chambers. One of the most captivating features of Eagle's Nest Cave is the ballroom, a massive underwater chamber that feels like a hidden palace. The ballroom's vast expanse and towering ceilings give it a sense of otherworldly grandeur. The walls of this chamber are decorated with flowstone formations that resemble frozen waterfall, and the floor is covered with a fine layer of silt that dances in the light. Floating through this space, it's easy to forget the world above and lose oneself in the sheer beauty of the surroundings. Beyond the ballroom, the cave continues to reveal its secret. The deeper sections of the cave are less explored, holding the promise of discovery for those bold enough to push further. These areas are filled with narrow passages and tight squeezes that challenge even the most experienced divers. But the reward is an untouched beauty you have ever seen. The allure of Eagle's Nest Cave lies not just in its physical beauty, but in the sense of mystery and adventure it inspires. Each dive is a journey into the unknown, a chance to explore a world that remains largely hidden from view. The cave's beauty is a testament to the power and patience of nature, a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, there can be wonders waiting to be discovered. Eagle's Nest Cave is a place where the boundaries of the ordinary blur, where the underwater world reveals its most enchanting and awe-inspiring secrets. For those who have the skill and courage to explore it, Eagle's Nest offers an experience unlike any other, a chance to witness the breathtaking beauty of a hidden underwater paradise. Eagle's Nest is incredible. It's a mix of beauty and challenge that you can't find anywhere else. But it's also a place that demands respect and preparation. It's not for the faint of heart or the inexperienced. Despite its beauty, Eagle's Nest has a dark side. The cave has claimed the lives of several divers over the years. The combination of deep dives, labyrinthine passages, and the potential for equipment failure makes it extremely hazardous. Eagle's Nest Cave, often referred to as the Mount Everest of cave diving, is as perilous as it is beautiful. Nestled within Florida's Chassahowitzka Wildlife Management Area, this underwater cave system is a siren call to experienced divers, drawing them into its depths with the promise of unparalleled adventure and stunning natural formations. However, beneath its tranquil and enticing surface lies a realm of profound danger and relentless challenges. The cave's entrance, a deceptively serene opening in the limestone bedrock, leads to a labyrinthine network of passages that extend over several miles and plunge to depths exceeding 300 feet. complexity and depth of these passages are among the most significant hazards, as even the most experienced divers can easily become disoriented in the winding tunnels. The underwater environment, with its narrow and twisting corridors, requires exceptional navigation skills and an unwavering adherence to guidelines. A single lapse in concentration can lead to a diver becoming lost, which in such an environment can be fatal. Tragically, the dangers of Eagle's Nest have been underscored by several fatal incidents. In 2013, father and son, both experienced divers, perished within the cave's depths. Despite their expertise, they failed to return to the surface after venturing into one of the cave's more challenging sections. The subsequent recovery of their bodies highlighted the unforgiving nature of the cave, even for seasoned divers. In another incident in 2016, 2 divers who had successfully reached the depths of the cave ran out of air on their return journey. Their deaths were a stark reminder of the critical importance of meticulous planning and the ever-present risk of equipment failure or miscalculation in air supply. One of the primary dangers of Eagle's Nest Cave is its depth. The deeper a diver goes, the greater the physiological challenges. At depths beyond 100 feet, the risk of nitrogen narcosis increases, impairing a diver's judgment and coordination. Cave's deepest passages, reaching over 300 feet, demand the use of specialized gas mixtures and meticulous planning. Divers must carefully monitor their air supply and decompression schedules to avoid potentially deadly situations, such as decompression sickness, also known as the bends. The cave's complex layout exacerbates these risks, as divers must navigate tight passages and constrictions that can easily cause stress and disorientation, further compounding the physical challenges posed by deep diving. Equipment failure is another significant risk in the unforgiving environment of Eagle's Nest Cave. The confined spaces and the abrasive nature of the limestone can cause gear to malfunction or become damaged. A broken light or a malfunctioning regulator at these depths can quickly escalate into a life-threatening situation. Redundancy in equipment is crucial, and divers must be prepared for any eventuality, carrying backup lights, regulators, and even extra air supplies. The cave's silt-covered floor poses an additional hazard. Careless fin kick or movement can stir up the fine sediment, reducing visibility to zero in an instant. In such a silt-out, finding the guideline becomes nearly impossible, and panic can set in rapidly. Maintaining calm and methodically retracing one's path is essential to navigating out of these potentially lethal conditions. Moreover, the cave's remote location adds another layer of danger. Emergency assistance is far away, and rescue operations in such a complex and hazardous environment are extraordinarily difficult and time-consuming. Divers must be self-sufficient and rely on their training and experience to handle any emergencies that arise. The psychological stress of diving in such an environment cannot be understated. The knowledge that a mistake could be fatal weighs heavily, and the mental resilience required to manage this stress is immense. Divers must remain focused, composed, and methodical in their approach, constantly assessing and reassessing their situation. Eagle's Nest Cave is a site of both breathtaking beauty and sobering peril. Its depths and intricate passages present extreme challenges that test the limits of even the most seasoned divers. The risks of disorientation, equipment failure, physiological stress, and the potential for catastrophic silt-outs make it a formidable environment where preparation, experience, and respect for the cave's dangers are paramount. For those who venture into its depths, Eagle's Nest Cave demands the highest levels of skill, caution, and mental fortitude, reminding us of the delicate balance between exploration and the unforgiving nature of the underwater world. Eagle's Nest Cave is a testament to the awe-inspiring wonders of our natural world, and a reminder of the respect and caution such places demand. Until next time, dive safe and stay curious. If you enjoyed this dive into Eagle's Nest Cave, make sure to subscribe for more explorations of the world's most fascinating places. Thanks for watching.